In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord lag. If your chats feel sluggish, voice channels take a second to connect, or the app stutters when you scroll, don't worry. These quick fixes usually solve it without anything complicated. We'll start with the simplest and most effective move, a full restart of Discord, followed by checking for updates. Close Discord completely so it isn't still running in the background. On Windows, make sure the icon is gone from the system tray near the clock. On Mac, choose Quit from the menu instead of just closing the window. Give it 5 to 10 seconds, then reopen Discord. This fresh start clears temporary glitches, frees up memory after long sessions, and resets background processes that can build up over time. As Discord comes back up, let it check for updates. The app often installs patches silently on relaunch, and those patches are frequently aimed at performance and stability. If you see an update prompt, let it finish before you continue. Even small updates can fix stutter, desync, or unusually high CPU and GPU usage that might be causing the lag you're noticing. If nothing appears, that's fine. Restarting typically triggers the update check automatically, and you'll be on the latest build if one was available. Next, we'll reduce the visual load that can make Discord feel choppy on some devices. Open User Settings. By clicking the little gear icon near your username, then go to Accessibility. Find the Reduced Motion setting and turn it on. This lowers the number of animations and transitions Discord uses, which can make navigation feel noticeably snappier, especially on older hardware or when you're in a lot of busy servers. It also helps if you have many channels, lots of unread indicators, or long message histories open. Nothing important goes away. You still get the same messages, calls, and notifications, just with fewer animated effects competing for your system's resources. As a bonus, reduced motion can help with battery life on laptops and reduce GPU spikes during heavy use. After enabling reduced motion, take a moment to move between a few channels, open your direct messages, and scroll through an active server. You should feel less hitching and a smoother response when switching views. If you prefer the look of animations, you can always turn them back on later. This is simply about performance and comfort. That's it. Restart Discord, make sure you're up to date, and enable reduced motion in accessibility. These quick steps fix most lag issues and take only a minute. Try them whenever the app starts to feel sluggish and enjoy a smoother Discord experience.